future of high-performance electric sports cars is here, and it comes in the form of the 2026 Porsche 718 Cayman EV. This all-electric masterpiece is Porsche's bold step into the next generation of driving, blending the legendary handling of the Cayman with cutting-edge electric technology. With its sleek, aerodynamic design, low center of gravity, and signature Porsche styling, the 718 Cayman EV doesn't just look the part, it redefines what a compact sports car can be. From the moment you lay eyes on its aggressive stance and futuristic LED lighting, you know this isn't just another EV. It's a Porsche through and through, engineered to deliver an electrifying experience on both the road and the track. Under the hood, or rather, beneath the floor, lies a state-of-the-art battery system that powers an advanced electric motor, delivering instant torque and breathtaking acceleration. The 718 Cayman EV is expected to produce well over 400 horsepower, launching from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just around 3.5 seconds. The driving dynamics remain unmistakably Porsche, with precision steering, a near-perfect weight balance, and an adaptive suspension system that keeps you glued to the road. Whether carving through tight corners or cruising down the highway, the response is immediate, and the thrill is undeniable. Porsche's commitment to performance means that this EV still delivers the raw excitement and connection to the road that enthusiasts crave, all while being completely emissions-free. Inside, the cockpit is a perfect blend of luxury and technology, designed to immerse the driver in an unparalleled driving experience. Premium materials, a driver-focused layout, and an advanced digital dashboard put everything at your fingertips. The seamless integration of Porsche's latest infotainment system ensures that connectivity, navigation, and performance data are all easily accessible. The Cayman EV also introduces new levels of customization, allowing drivers to fine-tune settings for steering, suspension, and throttle response. And with an impressive range of over 250 miles on a single charge, this is an electric sports car built for more than just short bursts of speed. It's ready for long drives and daily commutes alike. The 2026 Porsche 718 Cayman EV is more than just an evolution of the iconic mid-engine sports car. It's a revolution in the way we think about performance driving. It proves that going electric doesn't mean sacrificing the thrill, the emotion, or the soul of a true sports car. Porsche has once again raised the bar, delivering a vehicle that is not only faster and more efficient but also undeniably exhilarating to drive. As the automotive world moves toward an electric future, the 718 Cayman EV stands as a testament to Porsche's commitment to innovation, heritage, and pure driving pleasure. This is the future of performance, and it's electrifying. Stay tuned to Export Car for more in-depth reviews, test drives, and everything you need to know about the most exciting cars hitting the road.